The next big release from ARRMA is this. It's Mini Kraton. I know you guys have been waiting for a small Kraton for a long time, but we wanted to make sure we did the Kraton name justice, the king of bashers in a small size. So why is this a Mini and not a Grom? It's simply because it's a brand new vehicle size for ARRMA. It sits in between the Grom small size and 10th scale. Everything is just a little bit bigger than a Grom. It's beefed up, it'll handle the rough terrain a lot better, it'll jump further, land better. We thought this was the perfect vehicle size for the king of bashers, the Kraton. About half the size of the 6S Kraton, the Mini Kraton can pretty much do everything the 6S Kraton can do, and it's still great to bash in your backyard. The Mini Kraton comes in 4 colour choices. We've got the iconic green colour scheme, teal, purple and pink colour scheme, a red, white and blue colour scheme, and then of course a signature ARRMA red colour scheme. Is this car being run?
Usually I'm very polite, but I'ma get savage tonight. Even when a dog being nice, every single dog gonna bite. You might think I'm wrong, but I'm right.
So yeah, it looks like these 2 cars have been run. The guys at the office can't get enough of driving the Mini Kraton. We just can't keep our hands off of these. When it comes to performance, the Mini Kraton is still an absolute beast, a mini beast. The RTR that includes battery and charger does actually come with a 3S battery, so you are good to do 50 plus out of the box straight away. But don't let that blinding performance intimidate you. Under the hood, we've worked with the SPEKTRUM team to bring you a brand new feature called Power Guard. Before Power Guard, there were 2 different ways you could limit the speed of your vehicle. You could just use a lower voltage battery, so using a 2S battery in a 3S car, for example, or you could use the throttle limit switch on the radio. Both methods work well, but have their inconveniences. So for example, if I want to give my less experienced RC friend a go with my car, then I would have to switch to a 2S battery. Or I could just turn down the throttle limit switch on the radio and then hand it to Ben. Do you want to go with this? Now, Ben isn't a very good driver. I don't want him driving this car at full speed. And that is all fine until Ben realizes that all he has to do is flick this switch and he's back to full throttle, and there he is sending my Mini Kraton left, right and center. Bad Ben. Power Guard has a power key, which if it is physically removed from the vehicle, locks the top level performance, and it can be driven by anybody, and as long as the key is not inserted into the vehicle, they will always be on that limited performance mode. With the power key removed, the truck will be in a limited top speed mode. It's still going to be good for 35 miles an hour. The other benefit of running with the power key removed in adrenaline mode is that you will have a much longer runtime. With the power key installed, you will be in chaos mode. This will unlock full power for your truck, 50 plus miles an hour. One truck, one battery, but 2 different ways your truck can perform. Continuing on with electronics, and in the Mini Kraton, the Power Guard is a feature of the SPEKTRUM 40 amp 2-in-1 brushless ESC. Bigger, more powerful ESC than in the Grom range. With a cooling fan, DSC is also included in this 2-in-1 unit, so that's going to keep things under control when things get wild. This 2-in-1 ESC receiver unit is SLT protocol, so it works with any of the SPEKTRUM SLT radios and any of the higher end SPEKTRUM radios which can transmit on SLT protocol. A further feature of this 2-in-1 ESC unit is it can be used as a standalone ESC and have input from an external receiver if you ever wanted to use an external receiver. The motor in the Mini Kraton is also brand new for the platform. It is a 2848 motor, 3000 kV, so it's a longer can motor than featured in the Grom range of vehicles, just to give that more power to the slightly bigger platform. On steering duty, we've got the SPEKTRUM SX114 servo. The radio is the SPEKTRUM SLT2 radio, a small form factor radio to match the Mini Kraton stance. It has the DSC control and the matching accent colours to your body style. In the versions of the Mini Kraton that come with battery and charger, it comes with a 3S battery. It's the 2000 milliamp hour high capacity battery. This is going to get you to 50 plus miles an hour for a good long time. Onto the truck itself, we've got a fantastic clipless body mounting solution. Simply press the button at the back of the cab, lift up the front and the body releases. Super easy to get it back on, slide in the rear tongue and then push down at the front and you're good to go. Under the hood, each of the colour variants has matching accent colours for the anodised aluminium parts. So we've got the red shock bodies, red bash bar and red wheel hexes on the red version, blue for the red, white and blue, green for the green and purple for the purple, teal and pink version. Aluminium shocks front and rear help to deliver that Kraton performance you expect, but at a slightly smaller size. The Mini Kraton has a mostly moulded chassis, but it does have the central aluminium bash bar to help to give it that extra strength. Front and rear arms are beefed up over the Grom size, so much longer, much bigger bosses on the inboard end. This is going to give you a lot of strength. The Mini Kraton also has a centre diff, so that's going to help you to deliver 50 mile an hour performance to the road. The Mini Kraton has a brand new fantastic latch and strap solution, so just press the rear latch to release the battery strap, throw in your included 3S battery, clip it in and you're good to go. Once you're done, unclip the latch, remove the battery and on to the next one. So that is why we developed the mini platform. This is the Mini Kraton, about half the size of a 6S Kraton, but all the same performance.